just where it starts. There's a boom tag on there, the one with your name. It's barcoded, no two are the same. Wear your shirt to an event or store. They scan your shirt for discounts and more. But the real magic, hold the applause. Additional money go direct to your cause. Imagine going to Starbucks, Home Depot,